incredibly moved to be at the Slimani Festival to present a movie, Sisters in Arms, that we made to celebrate the bravery of the Kurds, the strength of the women who just succeed to terrify the fanatics during the last war, that they all won for us. And if cinema cannot celebrate this bravery, what should do it? So cinema is there for it, to continue this cultural battle that we need to pursue. Thank you for being there, all of you.
كارولين زۆر دڵخۆشم کە لێرەم لە فستیڤاڵی زۆر دڵخۆشە کە لێرەیە لە فستیڤاڵی فیلمی نێودەوڵەتی سلێمانی و ئەم بابەتە بابەتێکی زۆر گرنگە بەلایەوە و ئەڵێن ئەگەر فیلم و سینەما نەتوانێت ئەم بابەتە بکات بە بابەتێکی زۆر گرنگ و وەکو بۆنەیەک لە سینەما سێری بکات، یعنی هیچ بابەتێکی تر ئەوەنە گرنگ نابێت بۆ سینەما. Maya, can you also say something about the film and the festival?
Yes, I'm delighted to be here. I'm very happy to come to Kurdistan. I think this is the festival to be in with this film, and it's very, very exciting. You're wonderful people, and it's great to be here with this film that is trying to, like Caroline was saying, to celebrate you and your fight for independence in general, for freedom in general, but in this specific case, your fight against Daesh for all of us, for the world. So thank you.
Maya شغلت كسر خوش رابوي كليرة يا كلام فستيفالي ولا كسانة بتاعتي شو بوي كباروني نتي بابتي أم فيلمات بابتي كي كردية وزور صور في وسط بابتي كردية وكأويش ما قشتي وزانن كردا كان بو سربا خوي خباكة كان بو آزادي خباكة كان ملام لوش قلنتر شبكة أنا دشي داعش دشي دولة إسلامية تيرورست كا شنكانيش أورولاي كيرا. أجر هر يكتان برسياتان هي أتوانا برسياري عن ليفتن.
What do you say about it?
Sorry?
ئەردۆغان فیلمەکەیان حەزێنن بۆ ئەم چی دەربارەی
He says that Erdogan and Turkey did not like the movie, so what do you have to say about that?
We didn't make that movie to please Mr. Erdogan.
إما هو فيلممان دروست نەکردووە بۆ ئەوەی کە ئەو دڵخۆش بکەین. مستوای فستیڤاڵەکە؟ Okay. How do you see the level of this festival compared to the other festivals that you have attended before?
What this festival has that nobody can compete with is that it's in Kurdistan, in Suli, where people are fond of culture and love so much cinema that we will be more than 1,500 in the theater. And it's more special here than everywhere else in the world.
ئەوەی کە ئەم فستیڤاڵە لە فستیڤاڵەکانی دیکە جیاکاتەوە ئەوەیە کە لە کوردستانە وخەکە
and then it's people who are fond of culture and love cinema so much that the theater will be packed.
وخەڵکی کوردستان کە زۆر خولیای کەلتور خەڵکی کوردستان کە زۆر خولیای کلتور و خولیای هونەرن و they are fond of cinema
and it makes this place so special.
ئەوەش کە ئەم شوێنەکە بە شوێنێکی زۆر تایبەتی and what made you choose this subject?
Again, I told you I didn't make that movie to please Mr. Erdogan. I'm really happy that you don't like it. That proved that we did great job. And the movie is not a movie for fanatics. It's a movie about women, for women, and for those who defeated fanatism. This is the movie we need for the future. Need to celebrate women and those who defeated the fanatics.